Yeah. Man, so if I could relate what we do with High Rocks to life, I think one of the main things people don't realize is adversity is your friend. You got a guy by the name of David Goggins. David Goggins is known for his mindset, right? Which I'm big on mindset. His delivery might be much for some, but the message is potent because you watch his story, how he went from not having any type of drive, settled for a job, pretty much was just lazy and out of shape. Didn't make no excuses though. He knew he was lazy, out of shape. And what he ended up doing was training himself to where he went, tried out for the Navy SEALs. I forgot how many times he made it through the hardest school possible with that or whatever. But when you see his story, you already know. Like the inspiration didn't come from some hype video, some motivation. It really was about getting the work done. And so I like that because he wanted to go through the hardships to get better. He did it. And now his life has impacted so many people that his life changed. And I was told, through an elected mentor is what I like to call it. What I mean by elected mentor, hold up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What I mean by elected mentor is somebody I watch based on the message that they have. One of them, his name is Myron Golden. And Myron Golden always talk about how we like to do the easy thing on the front end, which makes it hard on the back end. But if you do the hard thing on the front end, it makes it easy on the back end. But a lot of us, we run away from that because we don't understand adversity. And like I said in my book a couple of times throughout, adversity is your friend, because it's that buffer in your life to help you know if you're on the right path or not. And it shows you who you are, which a lot of us, we don't want to look in the mirror and see who we really are. You don't want to work on the things that are necessary to work on, but that's what's going to actually get you better. What's up, man? You with Coach? Okay. All right, you good? You good? Yeah, so, man, adversity, again, this is one of those things you're going to always hear me talk about because my life is based off of adversity. I don't know about nobody else, and I can't speak on nobody else, but I can speak on me and the things I've been through. A lot of things, I don't even talk about some stuff I've been through because I don't really need a sob story. I don't want nobody feeling sorry for me. I don't want nobody having pity for me because when I was going through those moments, if somebody had felt sorry or pitied me, I don't think I would have put the same effort into getting over those hurdles and fighting through those humps. One was so deep and bad, I couldn't even believe I was in the situation that I was in. Man, it just got me hyped thinking about that situation, but I overcame it with the support of my family and just grit. The support of my family and grit. And what's crazy is, when I went to med school, if you go to any type of school for a trade, I was in med school for chiropractic. You think first lesson you're gonna get, biology or chemistry, whatever. The first lesson we had in one of my major anatomy classes was on grit. And they sent us this video for our assignment. We had to go watch this video, and I forget the lady's name, forgive me, but she did a TED Talk on grit, which is a pretty popular one. So she did a TED Talk on grit, and that was the main thing that they were teaching us. Like, no matter what you go through, you're gonna have to go through, fight through some stuff to make it to the end, to make it through medical school, whatever you choose to do. So it's funny to me that, now meet people that are always looking for the easy way out. What supplement can make it easy? What way of life that sometimes you gotta go through the fire, man. You gotta take the iron through the fire. Let's go. Whoosh. Let's whoosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ooh. Ah. Shoot. Whoosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, that lesson on grit, like I said, I forget her name, but you get on TED Talk and you type in grit, you see what I'm saying. And the message I'm trying to get across, is embrace those tough moments. Like, embrace those tough moments, understand that they coming, don't run from them, but understand what they're for, and then also understand the fact that it's going to come. Those two things help you get through it. Because again, like I like to always go back to Myron Golden. To me, he's one of the best minds out right now as far as getting people to level up in truth, right? Level up in truth. And when he talked about Genesis and how the earth was formed, it wasn't like it was just speak this, speak that, and it was formed. It was adversity first, and it was pushback, right? And it was struggle, but everything in the end came out to perfection, right? Understanding there was going to be a struggle, and every day was a different struggle because every day was something else was created. So you got to understand the type of resistance that you're going to get when that's happening. So if I'm trying to create, because that's what the Most High was doing, if I'm trying to create, I'm trying to get better, and I'm trying to push, I got to understand that something's going to come up and give me some type of fight back, right? And so since I know that when it does come, I'm not shocked by it. It's not like getting caught off guard. Like, I knew it was coming. Now I just got to go put the work in for what I was doing to get past this hump. Roll it, bro. Like just now, that's crazy. Sitting here talking about adversity on my last set of pull-ups. I put too much weight on my left arm, y'all. Felt a pull. I could have been like, I can't do it, but now on that skier, I use primarily right hand. As I do these dips, I'm just gonna fight through, and I got another set of pull-ups. But that's what I mean. So like, I'm sitting here talking about adversity. Adversity literally happens during this session, and I got a choice to make. I can say, hey, cut the video, man, I'm hurt. No. I know how I am. It is what it is. The only way I'm gonna stop is if my body can't go. So, like I'm saying, man, adversity is always lurking. Always lurking. Just be ready for that thing. Let's go. Be ready for it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh yeah, feeling it. Woo! Man, I'm gonna leave y'all with this. In my book, in my sayings, I remember when I first started speaking, and I still believe this to this day. And it's because of how I was raised and just what I've seen, man. The one statement I always make is make an excuse or make a way. If you know my story, you know how my grandmother raised me, making an excuse wasn't even an option. I'm giving y'all an option. I didn't have that option. It was always make a way. But I'm putting it on the table for you. My grandmother was there for me. She took all the excuses away. Showed me how to make a way. You might not have that, but you got options. So you can either make an excuse or you're going to make a way to get it done. And that's the only options you got. If you got another option, let me know. And that's all I've seen. Those who don't, those who do. Those who get it, those who don't. So either make an excuse or make a way. Woo.